Hello? Can't talk. My hair is done. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, we're gonna be getting your girl together. Look at my hair. You know, but anyway, if you're new here, subscribe, period, no more, no less to it. Subscribe. Don't even mind this because we're gonna get me together, but subscribe. And also, if you're a part of the gang already, and you already know I love those who love me, and that's on period. So as you can see by the title, we're gonna be doing the little side part, period. So whoop de whoop with the bubble ponytail. Now this is my first time trying to put a bubble ponytail. I've done a ponytail on myself before, but this bubble ponytail, I also seen somebody call it a fish ponytail. This is gonna be my first time doing it, and y'all gonna be here to watch. So let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so some of the products or items I'll be using in my video is the freeze spray, probably some Gorilla Glue with Gorilla Snot, some Pump It Up Spritz, and then some Mega Spritz Hold by Fantasia. I also went to the hair store, and y'all, now, no, when I do ponytails, I do not use like bundles. Like, I don't use good quality bundles, no expensive bundles, because I'm not even gonna have the hairstyle in for long. Like, I'm not wasting my, no. But anyway, period, I went to the hair store, and this Instant Hold by Got To Be Glue, I heard that this gonna get the job done, so I got that. And I also have the other spray, but we're gonna see which one does the trick, because to tame this, nah. I got some wrap strips, a new brush, because you can't go wrong with a new brush, and hard bristles to, you know, brush the forehead like your mother used to do. Rubber bands. You're gonna need some rubber bands, well, obviously, because we're doing the bubble ponytail. And last but not least, like I said, I do not use good quality bundles for this, so I got some Gardenia hair by Model. And y'all, it's two of them. I got two of them, and they're 30 inches. They had up to 36 inches. 36 inches? Excuse me? I didn't go that far and be a bird, but I did get the 30-inch hair, and yeah, it's both, they both straight. They had different textures like body wave, jerry curl, Brazilian kinky. They had a whole bunch going on, but I didn't want none of that. So yeah, I got two 30-inch bundles, and this is what we'll be working with. My bang, it won't be my real hair. I use just some leftover weave, and yeah, so let's get into it. So to start off this hairstyle, I start off by making my part. Now y'all, to make this perfect part, you need a rat tail comb. Like, you need it. Like, I should have said that in the beginning when I was telling you what you need for the video, but I don't know. But anyway, you need the rat tail comb to get your part, y'all. And I'm using Style Factor Edge Control. I believe it's Style Factor Edge Booster. I also forgot to put that in the beginning, but it will definitely be below in the description box. But you definitely need some type of product to get that part straight, get the hair out the way. You want your part crisp and clean, nothing in between. It's like, nah, but for real, y'all want the part like crisp, like parted like the Red Sea, like Jesus could walk through your part. Like, I don't know, how much more I need to stress this, but your part needs to be A1. Now, like I said before, I was using the Style Factor Edge Booster. If your hair is anything like mine, my hair is 100% natural, no relaxer, no nothing, and I barely put heat in it. The only time I put heat in my hair is to get it straight for styles like this, so I can wear a ponytail or something cute and nice. Anyway, this Style Factor Edge Booster, y'all, do you see how it's slicking my hair down? Like, excuse me? Excuse me. Like, do y'all see how it's making my hair so nice and smooth? Anyway, I used that to style my edges, and I also used the Gorilla Snot, and that put a good hold on my hair. Now, as you may see in most videos, people do like part by part, section by section, but I don't have time to do all of that. So right here is the only part that I really focused on about like separating and getting down. So now, as you see, I'm sectioning off a area to this part is specifically to cover the tracks when we make the bang. So don't forget this part, y'all. I should have did this first before I put all the product in it, but it's okay either way. It's still gonna work. But this part, just make sure you section out enough hair to cover the tracks when you begin to glue them down for your bang.
I got hot sauce in my bag, swag.
For this part, I use the instant hold to just secure my edges and stuff so they don't move, because y'all, say I didn't slay them. Say I didn't. You lying if you saying I didn't. You're capping. But anyway, I'm about to go in and put the tracks on, so let's get to it. And I know y'all probably gonna say something about me putting the glue directly on my hair, yada yada. But I do this all the time and it does not break my hair off. The same company that makes the glue also has a glue remover, and then if you use the glue remover plus conditioner, it'll come right out. It will not rip your hair out. But like I said, this is just the way that I do my ponytails. If you have a different suggestion, or if you have another way of doing it, more power to you. So when applying the tracks, you want to do it in like a curved angle so that every track that you add, it will like cover the one before it, if that makes sense.
sauce in my bag, swag.
Now, when it comes to swooping your bang, it is up to you how you prefer it. To me, I like my bang deep in my face. I want the deepest swoop. I want the swoop de whoop. I want all of that. So it takes me a couple times to get it right, but after a while, I'm going to get it right. Now, y'all, this step is crucial because you want to cover all of your hair, because this is the part where you will be gluing on the tracks, or however you prefer to put your ponytail on. Some people sew it, some people glue it. I will be gluing mine, but I'm going to wrap the wrap strip all the way down my braid. I'm going to leave the end out because I won't be gluing the hair on that end, but just make sure you cover your entire braid. No matter how much paper wrap you need to use, cover that braid, y'all. Now, y'all, say this hair is not nice for $12.99. Like, you cannot beat that. Like, okay, it's not top shelf, top quality bundles, but it's gonna do what it gotta do for this hairstyle. Say the hair is not nice. All I did was put glue at the beginning of those tracks, and then I secured it at the end of the ponytail, and now I'll be wrapping the hair all the way up my braid. I won't continue putting the glue exactly on the weft of the bundles, but I will be putting glue on the rest of the paper wrap, and that way I'll just be wrapping the hair all the way up, and I won't need to keep putting glue on the weft. Y'all, and I apologize for my arm in the camera. I'm a lefty, so the angle that I have the camera versus how I'm doing my hair is just not compatible at all.
hot sauce in my bag, swag.
So now I'm just going in with a couple rubber bands, and when you put the first rubber band on, you take the hair and you spread it out, or you pull it apart a little bit, just pull it apart a little bit, and then you go on with the next one and you do the same thing, just pull it apart a little bit, just to enough to get the bubble or the form of the bubble or puff that you want.
Sauce in my bag, swag.
And that is a wrap.